Development in textiles. In the latter half of the 18th century, major changes occurred in the method of production. It's described as the Industrial Revolution. Goods began to produce not by hand but by machines. Tremendous changes occurred in textile industry. For the first time, tremendous changes occurred in textile industry. Before the Industrial Revolution, the spinning and weaving of cloth were undertaken for domestic and local consumption. It was done at home or in a small hired places. The production also took place on a cottage scale. In 1773, John Kay invented the flying shuttle, which when operated by hand increased the speed of the weaving of cloth. In 1767, James Hargreaves invented the spinning jenny. The machine spun 8 threads at the same time. Richard Arkwright invented the water frame. The spinning frame used water power in the place of manpower. Thus was born the factory. In 1779, Samuel Crampton invented a spinning mule, which included a combination of both the spinning jenny and the water frame. It produced 8 fine and coarse threads. In 1793, Eli Whitney invented the cotton gin. It's removing the seed from the cotton and increase the productivity manifold. Textile manufacture was at the heart of the Industrial Revolution. Over a span of 50 years, the textile manufacturing industry in Britain witnessed a transformation in the method of production from handmade to machine-made goods. The major factory centers are Derbyshire, Lancashire, Cheshire, Staffordshire, Nottinghamshire and Yorkshire. The most notable was Manchester, which had more than 50 mills in 1802. These factories involved in mass production were organized on the principles of division of labor.